So here's where I am today. This is going to be in 5 pieces. I got the propeller. It's going to be 1 piece. The clock mechanism, and then this is the bottom or the base, and then this is what's going to go in between the base and the clock mechanism. So I still got a lot to do to these. I'm going to put some decorative gussets in here, and it'll stiffen all this up. And then there's also going to be the brick structure that this is all going to mount to. That'll be the 5th and final part. But what I'm planning on doing next is making the gussets for this piece. Going to be some 16 gauge curved parts, and I think that'll give it a lot of strength and still have the openness to it. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here we are a few days later. I have the pieces on all corners. This is really adding a lot of strength to it. And the reason I made these out of 2 pieces, I was trying to conserve material. So now I'm going to make a piece, 4 pieces to go here across the top. And I'm going to do those the same way. Cutting a template out of this piece of scrap masonite really works well for a temporary template. It doesn't seem to want to catch on fire or anything. So, and this is the 1/8 thick. Works well. So I just clamp these on, and then I'll cut that. I'll show you that here in a minute. So let's go ahead and do that. This way I can reproduce these relatively quickly. I need 8 of them total. There'll be some on the top too, as well as around the bottom. So here's what I got going on for the middle part of the clock. I need to add some strength to it, and plus give it some decorative design. So I've come up with these ovals. I'll have one in each of the 4 sections, and here's what I've got going on. I've got this 3/16 rod, and I just wrapped it around this piece of tubing so I can be consistent, and bent that. So I got a piece laying in here, and I also want to make gussets to go in each corner. So that's kind of what I got going on here. I just use this compass to draw this out, and I'll cut these out of metal, and that's what will really give it some strength. So let's see how that all comes out. So here's where I'm at so far. Got quite a ways to go, but it's coming along pretty good, I think. Here's that oval we were just working on. I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't made the gussets yet. Of course, this is going to go on all four sides, but here's a sample of the gusset. I'm thinking about making it a little bit bigger, not much, but I think that'll really make it pretty stiff. So I think maybe a couple more videos and I'll have this project wrapped up. So thanks for watching.